Okay guys, so if you've been doing profit challenges, if you've been trading on personal accounts, I'm about to show you why the break and retest is the most simple, and this is a core message that I'm always passing on. It's the core message of my channel. Even the break and retest it's the most simple strategy out there, especially if you're a beginner, intermediate level. It doesn't matter what stage you're at. If you're going to trade the break and retest, guys, it will just catapult your trading career 100%. Now, I used to trade SMC. I've done it all, guys. Trendline strategies, breakouts, you name it, I've done it, right? Martingale, hedging, trading with Forex robots. I've also used, signals as well on Telegram. The break and retest by far, and by the way, none of this is going to work if you don't learn to trade yourself. If you want to make trading a full-time thing, the break and retest was able, through the break and retest, I was able to quit my 9 to 5. Actually, I should have said 12 to 12. I actually did 12-hour shifts. But then, get me up to 700k funded, and that is the best way to, you can try all the strategies out there, right? But I mean, they've got like small win percentages, they've got small risk to rewards. You don't want to do that. You want these. I mean, look at it even here. Let's go through this, right? All you gotta do the break and retest, guys, is draw your key levels, right? Well, let me just move this here. By the way, guys, before I get into this, we are doing a 50k account giveaway. I am doing this. I just want the students actually got a FTMO payout. Huge props to him, absolutely killing it. Let me just show you the giveaway, which is over here. Okay, we've got 67 members already joined. Now this is going to run out within the next 4 hours. I'm going to try to post this video as soon as possible, give you a chance to get in this straight away as well. But I'm going to be doing these giveaways pretty much all the time. So 50k account this time. It will be, as you can see here, I will send it by crypto or bank transfer, and if you just wanna just keep the cash as well, that's totally up to you guys as well. But yeah, this is a 50 account giveaway. Do make sure to join that as well. This is in the Discord, link will be in the video description. I'm also offering one-to-one mentorship, unlimited sessions, guys. So one-time lifetime access. It's a membership, and also what it comes with it, you got video courses as well. I've put in there as well, so you can do there's video courses, one-to-one live mentorship, unlimited access, unlimited sessions, and it's also you be part of where the other students are, the profitable students, learning students as well. But join a absolutely amazing community. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, let's go back on topic. Okay, as we can see here, guys, this is for Euro USD. Absolutely love this currency pair. Why? My focus mostly is GJ though. I aim for a 1 to 4 risk to reward, and I have a around between 65 to 72% win rate. Depends of course on the currency pair, depends on the markets. On choppy markets, on days where the market is not the best, then it's around 55%. Now here, as you can see, okay, this is live, guys. This is the current market. I'm not in this right now, but what would be the reason for the entry? Of course, I've got a breakout here. Let's go to a smaller time frame. Now, what would the clues be here, right? What would be the reason? Again, you can have the best possible setup, right? And still you can have an A+ setup, but still the market can go against you. I want to keep this video nice, short and simple. Now let's look at this, right? We've got our clean breakout. Now look at this, look at the level or the accuracy of my key level, right? I teach this in the one-to-one mentorship. I don't show this how I draw the key levels exactly in my videos. If you want information, guys, just the link will be in the video description, how to join the one. I do ask a few questions. I don't take on absolute beginners. I'm a trader, not a babysitter, not a teacher. But yeah, the link will be in the video description. Okay, look at the candle bodies. They are perfectly rejecting the key level once they break above. Look at this one here. Look at the wick here, guys. Long wick, bullish rejection candle. The wick is perfectly touching the key level and it's rejecting it. Again, rejection clean here. These two candle bodies, the candle bodies are closing above the key level. First time we get a huge volume breakout candle here. Price comes back up again. We are getting multiple wick rejections, strong signs of rejections. We do get a bullish rejection here, a bullish breakout, sorry, and then we got a bearish, another candle here. Now of course I go into more detail in the mentorship how to exactly how I trade this, but I mean, even if you look at this, guys, suppose we take a sell here, let's go to a smaller time frame. Let's see where we can see more patterns, more clues. Okay, we got a bullish engulfing pattern formed here now, right? So the buyers are still putting up a fight. This can still go any direction, guys. I'm not saying it's going to be 100% sell. It's going to tank 100%. I'm not saying that. I mean, if you look at it, I mean, even here we've got bearish, bullish, bearish. So you can see also say signs of consolidation as well. Market is deciding, but let's just say we did go for a sell from this point, right? I mean, I'll let this run, we'll see what happens. Win or lose, we don't care. Let's just focus on if we're trading with, I mean, but this, I just want to go on the the simplicity of this strategy. None of this fair value gap stuff, none of this looking for trend lines, liquidity grabs, double tops, double bottoms where liquidity sits, none of that nonsense. I'm a simple guy, just a regular guy, and I want a simple way to trade. Okay, so if I just show you guys, we'll leave that how it is. Okay, got the breakout here. Once price breaks above, let me just show you. Let's go to a small time frame so you can see. Okay, what huge bullish breakout here. Look at this, guys. Look at the level of respect that this key level is demanding. Bullish breakout, candle bodies are closing above. Now, why do I show this break and retest for free? This is not the exact break and retest I show in my mentorship. Why? Well, this I believe should be general public information, because normally these fake forex gurus, they normally sell this break and retest as a course, and they normally charge silly prices. So I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna put this out there for free. Now I've back tested this, guys. This break and retest method has a low win rate, right? The risk to reward is okay, it's pretty much okay, but the one I mostly focus on key levels. Normally I don't even show these zones the way I'm showing them here. If I just delete this, this is what we work off, and my students, this is what we just go off, key levels, because this game is all about key levels. Now if I just go off this, guys, alone, look at this. Let me just go to the small time frame again. Okay, again, look at the level of respect that this key level demands. Multiple wick rejections here. After we gain multiple wick rejections, you just pretty much take your entry. I mean, look at this price, huge bearish volume coming down. Look at the they say trading is mass psychology, so let's look at it from a psychological point of view. Price comes down. Soon as the sellers are in full control, the market is tanking, and then look at the volume in the candles. They become smaller and smaller. So the buyers are becoming stronger and the sellers are becoming weaker. Eventually, when price comes down here, it starts turning. Look at this, the turn of momentum. So let me get this tool here. It comes down, right, smaller, and then now look, the buyers are in control. Price comes down, and then we get a shift, and now the shift comes up towards here. So this is a clue, guys. Look at the strength of the candles when market's coming down. Look at the strength of the trend. Price comes down. Now we've got bullish candles here, so you can pretty much even take your entry after this candle. I normally have a fixed stop loss, and price this gives a nice 1 to 5. Now we've got some winners already marked up here. So what I'm going to do anyways, I'm going to give the market, like I would like to do. If you've been watching my videos, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to give the market the benefit of doubt, right? Going to give the market the benefit of doubt. 10%, let's just say we're already in 10% drawdown, right? I can't, but I've already marked a few losses, but let's just say we're already in 10% drawdown. I've got now on 5% drawdown. I've recovered 1 to 5. Now let's look and move on, and we'll move on to the next one. Let's move on to the next one. As you can see here, market is, let me look at these clean rejections here, and let me just make this a smaller time frame, because the time frames are always going to give the clues. It's always about the time frames, guys. Okay, I mean, if we go to a smaller one, price will always leave clues, guys. Price will always leave clues. Okay, huge bullish long wick rejection. A very, very strong bullish pattern here. A strong signal. I mean, even if you look at it, guys, normally this was about to form a evening star, and it did. It came further down until a huge bullish candle closed. Long wick rejection. Buyers are in control here, but still market, sellers take, their short control. Price, they push the price down. Price comes back up, and now we're getting a strong no wick at the bottom, no wick at hardly any at the top, but no wick at the bottom. This is a strong bullish candle, right? Sorry, there's no wick at the top. So that means there's hardly any sellers in control. We get a strong bullish candle. Remember, I always mention in some of my videos, the candle will always retrace pretty much 30 to 50%. In this case, it retraces about 50%. You could take your entry from here, and price just flies up. Now we was already in 5% drawdown. Let's go on a bigger time frame. Let's see what we have now. This is a 1 to 4.5. Let's see if it keeps going. And price pretty much, I mean, let's just say, let's not call it 4.5. Let's call it 1 to 4. Now we are in 1% drawdown, guys. 1% drawdown. Now the next trade, I won't go into too much. Next trade we lose. Now we're in 2% drawdown. Next trade is the winner now. And wins and losses, guys, they're part of the game. It's gonna happen all the time. I don't care who you are. You claim to be the best trader, whatever. Wins and losses are part of the game. Now here, I mean, these are normally, look at this, clean breakout, but look at the level of rejection. Even if we look on here, guys, multiple wick rejections. I mean, it's totally your choice where you want to enter from after you get your first sign of rejection. Here I would just pretty much enter from here, guys. But here, bearish candle. I mean, look at this. Do you know what I mean by, well, let me just show you. What do I mean by a strong candle strength indicate? Look at this signal. Look at this. Getting a text message. Okay, excuse me. Okay, 100% candle strength, guys. 100% bearish candle strength. Wick at the top, no wick at the bottom. Multiple wick rejections. So I would straight away pretty much enter from here or come near enough to the key level, whatever you want to call it. We're already in the zone anyway. Just take your entry from here. Let price do its thing, and it absolutely tanks. Well, the key level would be better actually to take it from closer to the key level. But you know what? Because look at this huge wick here. I can't remember if this is 8 in the okay, so what we're going to do is to keep things fair. But look at it. Okay, this is a loss. I'm just going to call this a loss. I'm going to give the market the benefit of the doubt. We've got a huge wick here, rejection here. But this is kind of the patterns you want to look out for, guys. Look at these wick rejections here. You get the idea though, right? Even though this trade was a loss, you get the idea what I'm trying to say. So let's just say now we're in 3% drawdown. Now 4% drawdown. And now you are going to run into losing streaks, guys. It's all part of the game. But now, guys, the next trade is a 1 to 5. So we was in 4% drawdown. Now we're in 1% profit. Now bearing in mind, I already give 10% drawdown to give the market the benefit of doubt, right? So initially, are we really in that much drawdown? No, we're actually in quite a bit of profit, but still just gonna give the 10%, you know, minus 10%, give the market the benefit of the doubt. And let's look what's happening here, guys. This was live. I was speaking about this live, guys, and it's actually dropped now, right? And I'm gonna give you something as well. Look at this. Look at this, guys. If you look at it even from this angle here, support and resistance is being created all the time, right? This was support. This was support. Candle bodies were closing above this key level area, and this is what I emphasize on in my mentorship. Now this is the first time a candle has closed below this area, right? So I would like to enter from here though, right? We can go to a small time frame. Let's see what kind of, I mean, this is the beauty of it. Look at this, where I put my line. The first time we get the breakout, these two candles are respecting that area, right? You know, trading is a skill, guys. It's not, there's no such thing as hit and hope. None of that. It's a skill. I don't believe in when some traders, when they say the best way to pass profit from challenges, guys, is risk 3% per trade, risk 2% per trade. Nonsense. It's all about skill. You want to risk small, win big. You know that, and you want to cut your losses short, and that's what it's all about. Now this trade, anything can happen still. We've got multiple wick rejections. Well, 2 wick rejections. This might be another wick rejection. But the idea, if you remember, my entry wasn't from here. My entry was from pretty much up here, if you remember. So we're already running nicely in profit. How much would this be actually? So pretty much a 1 to 1.5. But we're gonna let this run. And like I mentioned, anything can happen. The last trade was also a winner. But we're just gonna let it run, and we'll see what happens, whatever the result is. But I mean, I hope you've got value from this video, guys. So this game's all about key levels. Don't let anyone else tell you otherwise. This trade is running. I'm not in this trade, by the way, but I'm just giving an example. I mean, this is a consolidation here as well, so anything can happen. But this was for example's sake, just to give you an idea how the break and retest pretty much works. Very, very simple. I'm going to post this video quite early. I just want everyone to enter the giveaway. And if you just want to learn for even the one-to-one mentorship from myself, come in the mentorship Discord community, guys. We're up to 800 plus members. Link will be in the video description. Take care, and I am out.